got everything tied up that I wanted to try out. Headed down to North Hand in the morning. Ultralight rod. Got me a nice little jig on here, chartreuse. Got a little rage crawl. Had a nice little popper on, so I said, the heck with it, we'll try it. Rapala Brad, that thing's pretty. Lastly, you know, we got the old trusty wacky worm. Pull me in! Thanks! Thanks, Dad! Alright, I'm good. At least I'm not going underwater. Alright, you up a little bit. Look, there's a nice bass right there. Big one! Largemouth. Barely on there, come on. Come on, come on, I'm wet. Stay on, buddy. Stay on, buddy. Wee-hoo. Big. Just had to pick up the popper again, boy. Beautiful fish. Wow, that's pretty. Thanks, buddy. There he goes. I really don't think that catch was on camera, which sucked because that shit was sweet. I actually hooked it without, my spool was still free. Oh, really? Yeah. So I just like had to hold on to the spool and yank the shit out of it. That was on camera. They're nailing it. Dude, they're so crazy. Oh. Quick release, quick release, quick release. Catch another one. There we go. You need a chair? There's a chair right here. I thought you were fishing with two poles at once. I was like, dude, you were really trying to catch him today. Oop, got a nibble. Oh.
And this one?
Yeah. Little guys. A big ass bream. Fish jumped next to you, dude.
What?
I said a fish just jumped next to you, dude. That was crazy.
Yeah, it jumped alright.
It did. Yo, nice bass right here.
What?
Big ass largemouth under my bait. Got him. Got him. That's so sick. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Here comes the rain, doo 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 doo. Here comes the rain, I say it's alright. Ding 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 ding.
Yeah, it's so sick when you can watch him eat it.
To be honest, I didn't see him actually eat that.
I did.
I saw where he went and I threw it up in there and then just let it sit and then he chomped it. He chomped it. Right back in his bush.
Hi, little bugger.
There you go. Easy as that, buddy. Easy as that, buddy. Oh my god, that's the second time you've done that today, you stupid ass. That rock in the middle just looked fishy to me. It sure did. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you. Yo, you want another chair? It's match and set. Got another one? Dude, nice. I had a bunch of strikes, but nothing big. I'll probably go down right there. Ugh. Sending it. This is not good. Get behind these next couple rocks. I haven't been able to get a decent cast up in there. Yep. That's not a largie. I got grass on it. Don't you know that there's some grass? I got grass on it. Alright, jerk face. Jeez. So mean. I'll help you out, bud. I'll get it out of you. Maybe. Little dinky dudes. I caught a fishy, a little fishy. I caught a fishy. Just a wee little guy. Wee small dude. Pretty guy. Oh. Ow, ow. Uh-oh. Nice, dude. Is that Smalley?
Yeah. That was the first cast of that fucking bait.
You got it. You got it. Big money, no whammies. He's gonna jump off before you get to wait.
0.94.
Oh! Caught him by his spine. Show me your fish, dude. Is that your new PB? Talking to my GoPro. See if I can get you too. Come on, baby. We did pretty good.
Yeah, what you been?
Hi, bro.
I got a stroke.
Hey, you in trouble? Alright, man. Wow. It's hot. Just finished up the day with Justin out here in North Anna, somewhere in Virginia. I can't tell you. Shh. Secrets are so fun. But we did pretty good today. Caught I don't know, shoot, 40-50 fish, I'd say, at least. I don't know, we did pretty well. Yeah, till next time, gang. Alright, y'all, I just got finished kind of unpacking yak and all my gear, this, that, and the other. Still got some things to do, but I just wanted to make a couple points about today. First things first, you saw everything I tied on. Today might be the first day ever that I did not retie a single thing. But what I want to show you is these two. These were my go-tos today. I hope that lure is beat up, man. I'm trying to tell you, we had a good day. 50-pound braid. Never retied. I probably should have here, but that's how you know you had a good day on Topwater. So what I'd like to do, I come in with this, try and get the initial bite. A lot of times I'd have chasing or something like that. And you'll see in the clips, sometimes I keep the bait out there, sometimes reel it in. We'll chunk the same color wacky worm in there. I didn't catch too many on there today, but I did catch a couple nice ones. But yeah, so that was my trip. Went out there with my buddy Justin. Hope y'all enjoyed. Till next time.